you doing? How you doing today? Today I'm working on a trailer. For some reason this lead hand holder right here broke. It's always a mystery how these things happen, but we all know what happened. Somebody forgot to unhook their airline and busted that. But I'm gonna walk you through how to replace this. It's pretty simple. It's not hard at all. I'm gonna show you how to replace it. And so here are the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a 5/8 wrench, a 3/4 wrench, and obviously the replacement lead hand. And you're gonna need a 1/2 inch to take these two off. You want to take these off, keep these nuts and throw away the piece, and you take these fittings off, these two fittings off. Transplant this fitting to the new lead end holder. Mount the lead end holder right here, and once you do that, then put this fitting back on, and we're good to go. Anyway, I'm going to take you along the ride and show you how to do it. All right, here it is, all done, complete, nice and fresh. Just make sure you tighten all your fittings. Just double check all the other fittings, make sure they're tight, and she's good to go. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.